Did you know that 44% of people start their online shopping journey with a Google search? And 37.5% of all traffic to e-commerce sites comes from search engines. That's why search engine optimization is so critical for the success of your e-commerce business. E-commerce SEO helps your online store rank higher on Google and other search engines. This increased visibility leads to more organic traffic to your website. It also helps you attract visitors who are actively looking for the products you offer, making them more likely to convert into paying customers. SEO goes beyond just keyword optimization. It includes faster page loading times, mobile friendliness, and easy navigation, all of which contribute to a positive user experience. A well-optimized e-commerce site keeps visitors engaged and encourages them to explore your products further, giving you more opportunities for sales. How the SEO Guy can help? The SEO Guy is a leading digital marketing agency in India with over 14 years of experience helping e-commerce businesses rank higher and drive more traffic and sales. Here's how we can help your e-commerce store succeed with SEO. Keyword research. We'll find the right keywords that match user intent, have good search volume, and are achievable to rank for. We keep brand, non-brand, and competitive keywords in our list as per latest industry trends. On-page optimization. We optimize your product pages, static pages, dynamic pages, blogs, news, and every single page with the target keywords in titles, descriptions, content, and more. We don't ignore any possibility to optimize pages. Technical SEO. We ensure your site is fast, mobile-friendly, and technically sound to rank well on Google. All markup, elements, tags, and codes are optimized for better performance. Content creation. We create engaging SEO-optimized content like blog posts, infographics, videos, and social media content to attract new users and drive more traffic. Budget-friendly services. All of our e-commerce SEO services are affordable and transparent with no hidden costs. We have a proven track record of helping e-commerce brands in India achieve top rankings and grow their sales. In today's competitive e-commerce landscape, SEO is no longer optional. It's essential for the success of your online store. With the right strategy and execution, you can drive more organic traffic, boost conversions, and grow your e-commerce business. Let the SEO Guy be your trusted partner in e-commerce SEO. Contact us today to learn more about our services and how we can help you achieve your goals. Got any questions or concerns? Reach us at www.theseoguy.in.